Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline the key words to help you. Word bank. A. Thermal energy. B. Electrical energy. C. Mechanical energy. Number 1. A form of energy resulting from the existence of charged particles, electrons, can produce heat, light, sound, and magnetic effects. Number 2. A form of energy associated with the motion of an object. Number 3. Energy in the form of heat. Word bank. D. Sound energy. E. Wave. F. Energy. G. Light energy. Number 4. A form of energy created by vibrations. Number 5. To move back and forth and up and down repeatedly. Number 6. The ability for doing work. Number 7. A form of energy that travels in waves and can move through empty space. Number 8. When a banjo player plucks his strings on his instrument, a sound is made. The sound is made because the string A. tightens, B. loosens, C. vibrates. Number 9. This gumball machine has a coin handle that must be turned when dispensing a product. Which form of energy is used to dispense the gumballs? A. Mechanical, B. Thermal, C. Sound. Number 10. A campfire, fireworks, and a burning candle all produce A. Mechanical and thermal energy, B. Light and thermal energy, C. Sound and electrical energy. Number 11. When a television is turned on, electrical energy transforms into A. Sound energy, B. Light energy, C. Both A and B. Number 12. Winding a key on the toy increases the toy's blank energy. A. Mechanical, B. Light, C. Thermal. Directions. Match the following picture example with the correct term. A. Mechanical, B. Electrical, C. Thermal. Number 13, number 14, number 15.